Hello everyone, this is your monthly reading for August. This is the reading for Cancer. This will be a general reading. Not everything in the reading will resonate with you. Please take what works for you and leave out the rest. We will be looking at 4 energies today. The overall energy for the month, any challenges or blockages coming your way for the month, any advice or guidance from the universe, and the outcome should we take the advice, right? Let's start with the reading. Let's pull out the overall energy for the month of August for you, Cancer. Seven of Cups. You might have some placement in Taurus as well. I think they had a similar energy for the month. You might want to look at that video as well. So for the overall energy for the month, you have a lot of options in front of you and a decision to make. You might be feeling a little confused here. There can be an energy of being a little dreamy about, or some options looking much more lucrative than others. We'll clarify this. Let's understand why is this energy here and what is the choice about. What do you need to know for making this choice? Let's first look at what the energy is in terms of challenge for you this month. 10 of Cups. So you might be wanting to move into this happily forever after kind of a life. You might have had a dream which you would have thought of for a very long time. Sometimes you have this notion that when I have that dream home and a car, the one that I used to look at when I was a kid, and a family there, life will be set, and that's where I want to be, and I'll find peace there. It can be different things for different people. For someone it can be finding that dream job, finding that right group of people to share their ideas with. This 10 of Cups can be different for different people, but the challenge is you have been wanting to get there for a while, and for some reason it's not been happening. That's why it's in the challenge position, and it might have to do with the decisions you have made historically, or what is the decision is for you pending to be made for to get into that energy or that place. Let's look at what the advice is for us. So Cancer, you have a very earthy energy for advice. It's often the card of Virgo. Different readers read it differently. For some reason I feel this is more like a Virgo energy coming up here for you. So you might have been wanting this, and I think what's frustrating you is that it's not happening, right? The thing is, you're on the right path, and Knight of Pentacles is a very firm, sure energy. You will get there. The advice is to be patient. You are on the right path. You will get there, but don't be hasty about things. Don't expect that things will change tomorrow. While you might take the decisions for that 10 of Cups energy, or your happy place today, don't expect that to happen or turn around within this month. It might take a few months or even a year before you get there, right? So what you set foundation of for this month, it will not manifest or reach conclusion within a few days or weeks. You might have to wait a few months or a year here. It can be anything from 7 months to a year is what I'm seeing here. Let's look at the outcome. Where does this lead? The World. Cycle comes to an end and you have a new beginning. So you will reach the conclusion of this cycle and choice, but you'll have to wait for the divine timing here. You cannot rush things and make them happen in a day. It's very unlike, it's a very fiery energy to be impatient, but somehow I'm getting that you're rushing into things. So I think that's where the challenge is for you this month. You have to be patient and let things happen at their own pace. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. King of Pentacles. See, King of Pentacles is a very stable, long-term, mature energy. A lot of earthy energy for you somehow. So I think it's also a need to be grounded. King of Pentacles has abundance, knowledge, but yet they're very grounded, very down to earth, humble in what they do. So again, that energy of not rushing into things and taking a decision from a very grounded place. I think that in that Seven of Cups there are illusions that you have, and you need to make a decision looking through those illusions, cutting through them, being very practical and realistic. So don't get carried away by the dreaminess of things and go after them. Look at things a little more practically when you make this choice in Seven of Cups. Let's look at the message regarding this Ten of Cups. Five of Wands. So probably what you seek calls for a lot of drama. It might be something new, not something very easily accepted by people around you. But that's perfectly fine. I think you need to be confident and be firm about the choice that you are making and hold on to it. There will be distractions and things around it. You may not initially have people aligned to what you're seeking, but I think whatever we want in life, we should not kind of restrict ourselves to what people think about us, and do what works the best for us and what is it that we want for our journey in life. So I think the challenge has been, while you have been wishing for something, you have been thinking about how others will perceive it. I think it's time to let go of that. Yeah? Time to let go of what people will think, and go with whatever works for you the best. For the Knight of Pentacles, in the advice you get the Four of Wands. So you are on the path to a stable, happy place. To me, with this Four of Wands specifically, this card, the energies of finding that happy or like-minded people around you, right? It's like finding your soul tribe. And this card also has the wands lit in a way. It looks like 1111, like you are on an aligned path with your soul journey. So nothing much to worry about. Do not rush or stress. That's all. I think I keep getting this energy of, or message of, be patient, don't rush into things, you will get there. For the world, we get the Seven of Pentacles. So Seven of Pentacles is an energy where you have been planting seeds, putting in the effort, and you step back or stop for a moment to look at what you have done so far. It's a card of harvest, right? It is a card where you get results. It's not there to a Ten of Pentacles, which you might be wanting to manifest, but it's like you are on the right path. You are more than midway there, but have patience. You will get to your Ten of Pentacles. So let's pull out an oracle from the Oracle of the Fairies and see what fairies have to say for you this month, Cancer. The card for you is Hidden Depths. It says, something hidden is about to come to light, perhaps a secret or a memory at the back of your mind. When we expose what's hidden, we can become free. So again, something you have been wanting but not acting on it openly, fearing what others will think, or people around, or family. society. I think it's time to put all that to rest and do whatever is best for you. And in doing that, you will set yourself free from all the burdens and challenges that you have been facing so far. So that's all I have for you this month. Hope this resonated. Please share your feedback in the comments below. Do like, subscribe if you have resonated with the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.